Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, we will learn how we can create an app to display random codes with random background color. So here you can see that's the code here, that with memories, not names. So there's a text color is white and background color is something gray. Okay, so whenever I click on the refresh button and just click on it, this button. So now code is changed and background color is also changed. We are using here Firebase to get the codes. So if you want to add more codes, so you can put your codes in the Firebase database. Okay, you can dynamically change all your codes. If you want to change that one code, you can do this from the Firebase. Okay, so that's the Firebase. I already have added here 5 codes here. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explain you how we can do it step by step. Okay. So that's the second part of this app. Okay. So in this video, we will learn how we can code for this app. Okay. In the last tutorial, we have learned how we can connect the Firebase and how we can do the design. Okay. So here we go for the code part. So now let's create the variable here, global variable. In the left side, you will find your variable option and just click on initialize global variable. So I'm going to change this variable name is val. Okay, and we have to initialize this value from the random value. Okay, because we have to get the codes, random codes. Okay, we will get the 2, we will get the 1 code, 1 number code. So how we can do this? Just click on maths and you will find a random option, random integer. So if I have right now only 2 codes, so I'm going to put here only 1 to 2. Suppose you have 100 codes, so you can just put here 1 to 100. So this will initialize variable as a random value 1 from the 1 to 100. Okay, I'm just put here only 2. Now here we need to create one procedure. Okay, so there's one option, you can just directly use it code, and because we have to use this same code as it is code in the 2 times, whenever we initialize the app, it means whenever we open the app and whenever we click on the refresh button. So that's why we are using here procedure. Just click on procedure and just drag and drop this procedure. Okay, and now here we need to use here, we have to change the background color, this one. Okay, and how we can change this background color? Just click on this screen and you will find your set screen background color, set screen done background color, and we have to put background color value. So just click on the color option here, this one, and you will see here make color, this one. Okay, just drag and drop this here. So this will make the color from this these value. Okay, so we have to put here random value. Okay, because we have to change the color, random color. Okay, so that's why we are using a random value, and the value should be from 0 to 255 like this. Just copy and paste 2 times and put it here and put it here like this. Now this one will change the background color randomly. Now we have to call Firebase. Okay, in the left side you will find Firebase and you will see here Firebase.get value, because we have to get the value, this one called Firebase. Just drag and drop this, and which tag we have to get? We have to get this global initialize value. So suppose this one randomly select 1, it means variable val is 1, then we have to get the tag 1. So what is the tag 1? Is this one code. Okay, so just a value, if tag is not there, then we will display nothing here. Now whenever someone click on the button 1, okay, so that one is procedure right now. Okay, now how we can call this procedure? Whenever a screen will initialize, then we will call this procedure. Just click on screen and you will find here screen initialize. When screen is initialized, then I'm going to make it zoom. When screen will initialize, then we have to call this procedure. So call procedure here. It means whenever a screen will initialize, then this call procedure will call this all code, right? And whenever we click on this button, it means refresh button, then we have to call again this code. So we will just call here procedure like this. Right, now This one is simple. Now what we will do, we have to set the global variable because this one is global variable, so this will not change. When this will change only one time when we initialize the variable, initialize the screen. It means whenever we open the app. But we have to change this variable whenever we click on this button 1. It means this one refresh button 1. So how we can do this? So that's very easy. So we have to set this value as a random. Just set this value is random like this. Alright, so that's the overall code. Let's run this app and how it's work now. Wait, just click on refresh. Wait, why this one is not now background color is now change here, right? Every time, but code is not changed. Now why this is happening? Go to the design, everything is fine. What the problem with this? Okay, the problem is simple. We have to use one more code. That one is whenever Firebase TV, this one click on, got the value, right? We got the value. Okay, here call Firebase get value. So we got the value tag, but where is the value, right? So how we can display? So when Firebase TV got value, then we have to call here, click on control. We will use here if condition. If the tag, it means click on maths and we have to compare the tag and we have to put here get tag, this one. Suppose we got the value 1, it means get tag is 1 is equal to get global variable. It means this one, just get the value. Alright, so this one is equal, obviously, right? Then we will display the click on label 1 dot text should be value, this get value like this, right? Just refresh and go. Oh, there is no code. Wait some seconds again. If this one is not working, then what we will do, we will use here one thing, that one we will store the value here. Click on Firebase and you will find here store value, this one. Just call this one in the refresh button and we will just copy this text and we will use here tag is 3 and the value we have to store is, we will store one code here. Okay, and I'm just put here love is life. Okay, and just refresh and just click on this refresh button. This will store the data and go to here, you will see code app and that one is love is life. That one is stored the value. Okay, now what we will do, we got some problem here, right? So I'm going to put here the value right now from the row. Now just put here 1 and then value is, just copy this and paste this value here. Okay, and do it again. Just put their value 2 and this one value from here. Just put this value here, right? Like this. Now I'm going to delete this one code from here and just click on refresh campaign and you will see love for all, hater for none. Refresh. This will just display. Okay, this will change the world by being yourself. Like so, sometimes we are facing the problem. So the problem, you got it. First we have to use one thing, that one is should be this one code, call Firebase dot store value and we have to store this value. Like you can store any value, but you have to store this value from the code. Then you can delete this and then you have to put the value, because this you will see here that one is code app. Okay, so that's very easy and basic app to create. Alright, and if you want to make a space here, so just go to the design and just put here one label and change this text to 0, write nothing, and make this height percentage to 30 like this and refresh this campaign again and you will see here like this. Alright, so that's very easy and simple way to create this app. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.